Dr. Abdul Wahid Khan, distinguished delegates, friends and students. I stand before you to give my impression, what I gauged during 3 days of this conference. First and foremost, I would like to thank to the organizers of this conference, mainly to the Department of Islamic Studies, and particularly to Dr. Ubaidullah Fahad and Dr. Abdul Majid. They deserve appreciation. We should give a big applause to them. What I noticed for the last 3 or 4 years, this is only the department, that is the Department of Islamic Studies in Aligarh Muslim University, where every year they organize conferences. This year, what the conference they organized is really in the true nature, it is an international conference. What I came to know from the different sources, or more than 35 participants were from out of India. And moreover, 50% of the papers were presented by the research scholars and fellow of this department. It is also a remarkable achievement of this department. There is no doubt, frankly speaking, when I had been in Malaysia, where the education as a subject was most popular. Being a student of psychology, I taught there 2 courses in every semester, 2 courses related to education. And 1 course was related to psychology, that is the counseling. So I read something about the literature on the Fatehullah and Gulen, and contributed few articles on international conferences organized by the UNESCO on education. So there is no doubt as far as the Sayyid Ahmad Nursi's contribution is more linked towards the humanity as well as the spirituality. Because all these aspects, knowledge, faith, morality in the future of humanity is linked with the spirituality, particularly the Islamic spirituality. The knowledge of what he has transcends into the different fields, not only to Islamic studies, in the field of political science, in the field of psychology, in the field of education, sociology, epistemology, theology. Really, it is a remarkable one-man contribution will always be remembered, not only to the present, even to the future of the humanity. And with this few remarks, again I would like to say thanks or congratulate to the Department of Islamic Studies for organizing